What's going on, diecast world and collectors on YouTube? I hope you're all having a great Sunday. I wanted to show you this cool Kyosho I have here. I had it since 2019. This is a Nissan Skyline RS, and it's an 1882. This car is becoming more rare now from the Kyosho line. It's been out a long time, and if you want this car, I highly suggest you find it because it's becoming more hard to find. I was lucky enough to get this 2 years ago, but if you see this, pick it up. I think Hot Wheels has done this tooling. Sorry, I think they have done this casting. I keep saying tooling, but they have done this casting, and I think they've done the silhouette version too. I could be wrong, but TLV has the silhouette 2000 RS casting for the premium line. Tamika has that for like 20 bucks, and then if you want the actual limited vintage version, that's going to cost you over 100 bucks. Alrighty, so I hope you all have a great day, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Stay tuned for future content, and don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, click that button too. Alright, thanks again. Bye.